Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you about how to pass the data from one phone to another phone. For example, in here, I want to pass the data from the phone 1 to the phone 2. So basically what you need to do, because the phone 2 want to receive the data from the phone 1, so you need to go to the view code in the phone 2, and then in here, I would like to create a constructor. I mean a new constructor in the phone to access the data from the phone 1. Actually, there are various of the ways to access the data from the various phone. But in here, I just want to show you the most easy way to do is use the constructor. So basically, I create a constructor called the parameterized constructor parameterized. So phone 2. Okay, phone 2, and then in here I want to use the string asset. So I also create the global variable called the name, and this name will accept the volume from the parameter called the asset. Okay. Later on, I will explain why I need to use a constructor in more detail. But for now, let me just demonstrate first. Okay. After you create a constructor, what you need to do, you go to the phone 1, click the button 1, because I want to assign the volume. I mean, when the user insert some text in here, and then this text, when the user click the button, it will pass this volume from phone 1 to the phone 2. Okay, so click the phone button 1 first, and then after that, because I would like to create an instead of class of phone 2. So phone 2 and then phone 2. So new phone 2. Oh, I forgot to mention about one thing is just now I create a constructor called the constructor parameterized one. So in here, this one is a default constructor lah. So I will not use the default constructor. So I will use this parameterized constructor lah, because in C# we can have the overload constructor. Okay, as many as you want. So I will use the second constructor. So because I want to pass the data, so test. Okay, test, and then I will call phone2 dot show. So let me explain more detail about it. So I create an instance of class called phone2, and then the constructor will automatically invoke once the instance of class is created called the phone2. Okay, and then I use this test from here. This one is here. Okay, test use this volume. You can assume this as an argument and use this volume and pass the volume to here parameter. So the asset will this parameter called the asset. So this will accept the volume from here. I mean the test. Okay. Once the asset got the volume, and then I use the global variable name to get the volume for this asset. So that name got the data from the phone 1 entity. Okay, the name. The reason I use the global because each of the method can access the data from this global variable, so that you don't need to create many the variable to access the data. So every method can access the data from this global variable. So yeah, once again phone2. After that, what I need to do is constructor. After the label, I think should be label.test equal to name, because name got the volume already. So let me test again. Let me test and then for example, I want to pass data from called the jack to here, and then I click the button 1. As you can see, jack appear in the form 2 because I use the pass the data to constructor, and then I use the variable to accept, get the volume now. So And then after that, maybe you wonder, can we pass the data in both way direction? For example, just now I demonstrate you how to pass data from the phone 1 to phone 2. Can I pass the data from phone 2 to phone 1 again? Yes, you can do it. So what you need to do, because for now phone 1 want to become the accept, you want to accept the variable, so you need to create a constructor again. Go to phone 1. So this phone 1 got the parameter maybe string name 2. Should be name 2. Wait a second. String. I just name the whatever the variable name. Don't bother about it. So I just copy this one. I also create a global variable called name to accept the data from the accept one. So after that, I need to use the phone. Go to phone 2, phone 2, and then passport. Go to sorry, I should create the class instead of class for the phone 1. Right. Phone 1 equal to real phone. And I think should be passport. Yeah, passport. I think should be passport. And phone 1 dot show. Yeah, and then go to phone 1. I think the label dot is equal to them 2. Let me test again. Jack here, and then just see I pass the data from the phone 2 to phone 1. Yeah, as you can see, just see appearing here. I think that's all for the today video. For the following video, I will teach you about the database for the SHISA. So stay tuned. If you like today's video, please subscribe me and like the video. Thank you, everyone.